The universal support bracket is a newly designed and manufactured architectural support component, which is injection molded from modified PP material. It is mainly used for the overhead support of solar power plants, square stone paving, fountain landscaping stone overhead support, ground skeleton support, roof insulation boards, rooftop balcony gardens, mirror water features, fountain landscapes, prefabricated buildings, rooftop gardens, wall-mounted stone cladding, interior decoration, and booth construction, etc. According to types, it can be categorized as follows: universal support bracket, water feature support bracket, stone support bracket, skeleton support bracket, floor support bracket, booth support bracket, etc. This support bracket can bear a load of 2.5 to 3.5 tons. It has undergone aging resistance testing, withstands temperatures from -20 degrees to 100 degrees Celsius, is corrosion resistant, and has achieved HB level flame retardancy testing. Advantages of using the universal support bracket in construction. 1. Quick installation, aesthetically pleasing, low labor costs, saving approximately half of the installation time and labor costs. 2. Support positions and heights can be adjusted according to construction needs, and slopes can be adjusted by 0 to 5%. 3. It has the effect of thermal insulation, sound insulation, and reducing noise propagation. 4. Ensures that the stone does not effloresce, does not damage water quality, is easy to maintain, and ensures clean and transparent water quality. 5. Convenient for later maintenance of pipelines and lighting fixtures, and cleaning debris from the bottom of stone floors.